Good evening, everyone. My name is Doug Wessel. I am the project manager for the Cool Widgets Microsoft Office training. This is the project status report for the week of February 10th through the 16th. The status summary for the week of February 10th through the 16th. We are 4 months into the project and we are on track, on time, and on budget for the Cool Widgets Microsoft Office training. Our overall status is green, and we are sitting at a project completion of 37% to date. Overall project milestones reached. Our budget was approved in week 1. The budget is $200,000, with $30,000 of that allocated for contractor assistance with the project. New computers arrived at the end of week 2. We purchased Dell laptops with docking stations, 2 LED 1080p ViewSonic monitors, keyboards, and mice. Computers were set up and tested in week 3, and the contractor was selected and under contract in week 4. Branch Software out of New York City was the selected contractor for the project. Goals accomplished for the reporting week of February 10th through February 16th. The Microsoft Word training module is 100% complete. The Microsoft Excel training module is 100% complete. And the overall course content completion is at 75%, with 26 days remaining. Issues that we ran into this week were Cool Widget is requesting a recorded version of training to be used for future use with new employees and as a refresher course for current employees. And then Sandra, one of our lead trainers, was out sick this week. Due to this, we saw a drastic slowdown in course creation, and we hope to have her back next week to continue with the course creation and get us moving along a little bit quicker. Goals for next week, February 17th through the 23rd. We'll have Microsoft PowerPoint training module 100% complete, and we will begin Microsoft Outlook training module. And we hope to have a overall course completion of 80% complete with 19 days left. An action plan for next week is to make sure that everyone involved in the project understands the new project scope due to the addition of recording training modules for Cool Widgets for their future use. If we take a look at the Gantt chart, it shows that we are in WBS 2.7 at task 2.72 with course creation. We are on schedule and everything is looking good for the project. You can see at task 2.79 the addition of the recording training for Cool Widget future use. The updated Gantt chart and updated project scope are being sent out to everyone following this meeting. We are on schedule to start site training on July 8th and complete the site training on August 14th. We are also on schedule for overall project completion on September 24th. If you guys have any questions or concerns about anything that you saw here, please feel free to reach out to me. And we will talk to you all again at the end of next week. Thank you. Have a good weekend.